What's up, guys? Dante here, Summers Tooling Machine. We got this old concrete mix bucket. We're doing some repair on this back. I wish I got some before photos, but this whole back was peeled back about an inch at the top. You could see where it was split, and I cut that out. But yeah, we put some 1/4-inch plate in. Got it all welded back up where the quick connect is. Didn't have a piece on hand to cover the whole span, so we had to butt them two together. But we put the 1/4-inch plate in. It's welded all the way around. Did it with a 6010 and 6011 rods, and then put this angle in here. So, because they get a lot of weight in this thing, I mean, it gets fucking heavy. So instead of them, pulling and separating that over the time, welded that angle on the inside, and these two bars on either side with the same size angle, and that's kind of bracing it, pulling it back. It'll keep it all squared up. So that's where we're at now. That's got these tops just welded in a little bit here. We're about to run some beads over the bottom of it, and we're using 60-10. I like the Victory, man. That shit's pretty sweet. No complaints. I use it for all my rod, and it's a veteran company too, so it's always good to support them. But yeah, we'll get some more shit burnt on this, and once we have this welded up, we can take this come along off. Right now we just kind of had it pulled back so it was all square when we welded it all up. So we'll get these bottom beads put in underneath that, a couple stitch welds, and break that free. I'm curious if I should run another support going from here up to the center pin kind of on each side, just to kind of stabilize it, because this whole thing's only made out of like fucking 3/16 sheet, and it's got some angle iron going around it and channel, but it's definitely seen better days. This thing just got a lot of rust and shit, so we'll see. It's a good customer, he's a good solid dude, so I'm just trying to hook him up here, get him set up so we don't got to bring this thing back here. Got Doug's buggy here too. Have a video on that soon. He's almost done with it. But, all right, boys, here we go. Had to cut this bracket here for the hydraulic hose. I'm about to put that back on and get it all set up. All right, I'm about to put a brace across here just to tie in this front into that gusset. Got some angle. Cut that section out. It'll slide over the front of that gusset up into it, and we can weld it all up.